One rainy afternoon, Ben was cleaning the basement of his house when he stumbled upon an old box. Inside was a dusty, broken clock. Its glass face was cracked, and its hands were stuck at 12. Despite its condition, the clock seemed important, with intricate carvings on its frame and an air of mystery about it. This must have belonged to Grandpa, Ben thought. His grandfather had passed away years ago, but he was known for keeping treasures from the past. Ben carried the clock upstairs and placed it on his desk. He decided to fix it. After researching online and gathering tools, he carefully opened the back of the clock. Inside, he found not just gears and springs, but also a folded piece of paper. Curious, Ben unfolded the paper. It was a letter written in his grandfather's handwriting. To my dear Ben, if you are reading this, it means you have found my old clock. This is no ordinary clock. It holds memories of my childhood, hidden in a special place. Follow the clues I've left behind, and you'll find something that meant a lot to me. Start in the garden, under the oak tree. Ben's heart raced. He ran outside to the large oak tree that stood in the corner of the yard. After digging near its base, he found a small tin box. Inside was another note. Well done! Your next clue is where I used to spend quiet afternoons reading. Ben immediately thought of the attic. His grandfather had a favorite chair near a small attic window. Climbing the creaky stairs, Ben searched around the chair and found a small book tucked under the cushion. A note inside read, For the final clue, go to where I kept my tools for fixing everything. The shed! Ben exclaimed. He ran to the shed at the back of the house. There, behind a shelf of old tools, he discovered a wooden box wrapped in a faded cloth. With trembling hands, he opened it. Inside were black and white photos, letters, and small trinkets from his grandfather's childhood. One photo showed a young boy standing proudly with a handmade kite. Another was of his grandfather and friends playing by a river. There was also a note. Ben, these memories are my treasures. I wanted you to find them so you could know a little more about the boy I once was. Life is full of moments that shape us, and I hope you create your own collection of treasures someday. Tears filled Ben's eyes. He felt closer to his grandfather than ever before. He carefully put everything back in the box and carried it to his room. The broken clock, now a symbol of his journey, sat proudly on his desk. Ben knew he would cherish these memories forever and continue to honor his grandfather's legacy of curiosity, adventure, and love for family.